Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the multi-channel messaging and comprehensive inbox features of our application. For this, you can open any of the records available in your system. Once you open it, you can place our chat console anywhere on the detail page as per your liking. Not only this, you can choose the channel from which you want to send the message. We support a variety of channels. For each of the channels, there are shipping numbers or sender numbers as well. Clicking Reply will select the channel and the numbers that you just selected. You can type a message, send it, and instantly switch back to another channel again. Also, you can not only type a message, but you can add attachments as well. To add any attachment, click on Add an Attachment and select the attachment that you want to add. In case you want to add and upload a new file from your system, click on the Upload Files button. Also, you can remove the selected files that you have added mistakenly. Now you can send a message and also get the replies, and all the messages sent are visible in your system. We also offer a comprehensive SMS inbox. Here you can view all your recent conversations that you have already done with any of the lead, contact, or any custom records. You can view all your conversations and manage them in a way to send a particular message from a channel, just like multi-channel messaging. Search for any specific conversation as well. Typing a keyword searches for the presence of the keyword in your entire chat history. You also have the option to view only specific channel messages of a particular lead or record. Also, you can view the details of the record by clicking on this arrow button. You can also search for an existing record that you have already done a conversation with. You can open that record and send the messages as well. You can not only search but apply filters on all of the conversations. Click on the menu bar and select the channel that you want to use this message app as. Once selected, you can accordingly select the records that are available for that particular message, ring channel. To view all the sent messages, click on the send icon, and it will only show the messages that you have sent to the customers. To initiate a new conversation, click on a new message. Select the type of object. Search for any specific record. Type a message and you can send it.